What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone if your screen is frozen and it's stuck. Let's say you're trying to use your iPhone, you're trying to move around and it's not accepting, it's non-responsive, and you still need to use your phone urgently. It's turned on, your screen is visible, light is on, but it's not responding and it's actually frozen. Do not worry, I'm going to show you how to fix it in this video, but it's very important for you to follow the steps in the specific order that I'm going to show them to you so you do not miss any step throughout the process. The thing is, one step actually complements the next one, so it's important to follow the order. My name is Shaq, and in this channel I do cover a lot of tech hacks and tutorials, so if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, jumping straight into the very first step, if you're unable to use your phone, we're going to perform a quick forced restart. So basically this may be caused by a bug or a glitch, which happens from time to time. Now, force restarting your iPhone essentially will turn off your iPhone and turn it back on as if it's coming from a deep sleep. It's as if you're disconnecting your battery and reconnecting it just with a few clicks in here. And do not worry, because this will not delete any sort of data from your phone. Now, if you have an iPhone 8 or later models, for example, if you're running an iPhone X, 11, all the way to an iPhone 17, in order to perform a forced restart, you need to rapidly tap on volume up and then down and then press and hold the power button continuously for approximately 6 to 7 seconds until you see the Apple logo on your screen. This is how it goes: volume up, down, and then press and hold the power button, and do not release the power button. Now, you may be seeing this screen or not. No problem, just keep on pressing and holding the power button. I'm not releasing it. Once you see the Apple logo on your screen, you're gonna release the power button and let your iPhone turn on normally. Now, essentially we've performed here a forced restart. Your phone will clear a few temporary cache files and fix a lot of bugs and glitches. Whenever you do have an error on your phone, I do recommend you performing a forced restart, as this may help fixing the problem that you've got. Now, I do recommend performing a forced restart every 10 to 15 days just to ensure that your phone processes in a smoother way and without issues. This is normal because from time to time we keep on having a lot of cache and junk files stored within the system of your iPhone software itself. Now, if you have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, in order to perform a forced restart, all you need to do is press and hold the volume down along with the power button. Keep on pressing both of the buttons continuously until you see the Apple logo on your screen. So once you see the Apple logo on your screen, you're going to release both of the buttons combination and let your iPhone turn on normally. Now, if you have a much older iPhone device such as an iPhone 6 or iPhone 5 with a physical home button in here, what you're going to do is press and hold the physical home button along with the power button. Press and hold both of the buttons continuously until you see the Apple logo on your screen. So once you see the Apple logo on your screen, you're going to release both of the buttons combination to let it turn on. Now, please note that in much older iPhone devices such as an iPhone 5 or an iPhone 4, the power button is usually located here at the top and not on the right. So in that case, you would need to press and hold the physical home button along with the power button, which would be located there at the top. Now, once you've done forced restarting, your phone should be working fine, but you need to immediately find the cause that actually caused this. So you need to hop into settings real quick, and one of the main causes is having your iPhone full. So you want to scroll down all the way to general, scroll down and tap on iPhone storage. Hop into iPhone storage, and you want to double check if you do have at least 3 to 5 gigabytes of free space. In my case, I do have 8 gigabytes of free space in here, and it's important for you to have some free space because your phone needs to process. It actually needs to create some system files, which sometimes they are deleted when you force restart it. That's why we forced restart it. Now, if it runs out of space completely, it may get stuck, and this may cause your phone to not function well. Now, let me show it to you. For example, if you scroll down all the way here, you do have, for example, your iOS eating up approximately 20 gigabytes of storage, and you do have system data as well eating up 16 gigabytes of storage. And please note that this system data will keep on increasing from time to time. And as you can see, we do have a description in here which says system data includes caches, logs, and other resources currently in use by the system. This value will fluctuate according to the system needs. I'm just trying to say that your phone, in order for it to function, it needs to have some free space. So immediately try getting rid of some space. Check which app exactly is eating up a lot of space. In my case, I do have WhatsApp eating up approximately 33 gigabytes of storage. So you want to hop into WhatsApp and start cleaning a bit of your WhatsApp storage. Photos as well, eating up over 13 gigabytes of space. So simply hop into Photos and clean up some space before you start using your phone. Otherwise, this may happen once again. And if you're able to use your phone, just thank God that you could actually turn it on, because in some cases, it gets to a point where your software gets corrupted and you're unable to use it completely. Now, if this happens one more time while you've cleaned some space, then try updating your software by tapping on General and then Software Update and see if you do not have a pending software update. Because you may be in a situation where you have a pending software update because you're running a beta version of a recently launched software which has a lot of bugs and glitches. It's very common. So updating your software, if you do have a pending one, could help fixing the problem that you've got. Now, if none of this helped fixing the problem, or if this keeps on happening again and again, then I would recommend you to perform the last step, where we're going to put our phone in recovery mode and then we're going to restart it, just to kickstart a specific area of your device related to recovering your phone. Do not worry, we will not lose any sort of data in here. Now, on this last step, you're going to need a USB cable or simply a Type-C cable according to the cable that you do have on your iPhone. For example, in my case, I'm going to use a Type-C cable in here, and then you're going to need a computer as well. So what you're going to do is connect one end into your laptop and the other end here to your iPhone device, okay? This can be a MacBook, this can be a laptop, a Windows PC, or any other PC, no problem at all, as long as it's a laptop. So connect the other end into your device, and as you can see, it's even charging, stating that it's connected to my device. Now, once it's connected, we're gonna force restart it one more time if you have an iPhone 8 or later models. This is how it goes. Volume up, volume down, press and hold the power button continuously, and do not release the power button. Okay, so keep on pressing and holding it continuously. Just keep on pressing and holding, and do not release it once you see the very first Apple logo. You just want to keep on pressing and holding continuously until you see the recovery screen on your iPhone device. While your cable is connected, as soon as you see this screen, you're going to release the power button and let it turn on normally. Now keep it like this for a couple of seconds, and then simply disconnect the cable and simply restart your iPhone. To restart it now, it's easy. Just press and hold the power button continuously for a couple of seconds. Your phone will essentially shut down, release it, and then turn it back on. Now, this actually puts your phone in recovery mode, or in other words, DFU mode, which is also known as downloading mode, and then just remove it from the downloading mode and you're good to go. This should restart and refresh a few system files on your iPhone that will help you getting rid of this issue. Now, if you do have a much older device with a physical home button, all you want to do is manually turn it off and then connect the other end into your laptop, and while you connect into your device, connect it and rapidly press and hold the home button. Connect and press and hold. Keep on pressing and holding until you see the connect to iTunes or to your laptop screen showing that cable. This will put your phone in recovery mode. Now, this should help fixing the problem. If this doesn't help fixing the problem, I'm sorry, but I would recommend you resetting your iPhone and then setting it up from scratch, but you're gonna lose a lot of data in this case. But I'm pretty sure that these steps would help fixing the problem that you've got. If you find my content useful, consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubts. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.